Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video we'll show you how to connect the SIYI MK32 remote controller to the Skydroid C12 Gimbal camera. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts: what products are used, how to connect the wiring, and how to display and operate. The products used in this test include the MK32 remote controller, MK32 receiver, C12 gimbal camera, and Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used include the C12 power and signal transmission cable and the MK32 power module. Next is the wiring process. Connect the C12 signal transmission port to the LAN port of the MK32 receiver. The C12 connector is a GH1.257 pin, while the MK32 LAN port uses a GH1.258 pin connector. Use the power module to supply power to the air unit of the MK32. The power module has an XT60 connector on one end and an XT30 connector on the other. Finally, connect power to the C12 gimbal camera. After completing the wiring, we move on to display and operation. Turn on the remote controller and enter the Gimbal FPV app. Tap the top right corner and select the C12 icon to enter. Since the C12 camera is usually set to hanging mode by default, the gimbal may fail its self-check and keep shaking. In this case, go to Settings and change the working mode to inverted mode. The gimbal will reinitialize and stabilize. Tap Settings to enter the configuration menu. Gimbal control supports AI tracking and 3 control methods, and multiple methods can be selected at the same time. There is also an AI serial port diagnostic option. Gimbal calibration is used to calibrate the operating temperature to prevent issues caused by large differences between ambient temperature and IMU temperature. Gimbal fine-tuning has already been completed at the factory, so do not use it unless necessary. Working mode allows switching between hanging and inverted installation. Gimbal speed can be set to constant speed or variable speed to adjust rotation responsiveness. The color palette allows you to change the thermal imaging display colors. For control methods, you can choose between multiple options. Remote controller channel control allows you to customize channels to control gimbal yaw, pitch, photo capture, and recording, but this feature is only supported when used with Skydroid remote controllers. Gesture control lets you slide on the screen to control gimbal movement. Virtual joystick control allows on-screen joystick operation with one-click centering. AI tracking enables automatic target tracking after selecting a subject. Note that AI tracking cannot be used together with gesture control. When AI tracking is enabled, recording resolution switches to 720p, otherwise it remains at 4K. On the right side, there are zoom control icons. Additional on-screen elements include a crosshair, reverse guidelines, and a floating window option. In the Settings menu, tap the color palette to adjust thermal imaging colors. If AI tracking is turned off, 3 buttons will appear on the right side. One-click downward view, yaw center and global center, along with zoom adjustment. On the left side, there are buttons for taking photos and recording video. Tap the top left settings icon to enter the system settings page. The first 2 options are the video stream addresses for the C12's visible light and thermal imaging feeds. The third option is the video switch. Turning it off will stop video transmission. You can also configure encoding mode, image flip, view the camera version, and enable OSD display. By following these steps, you can complete the connection and basic setup between the SIYI MK32 remote controller and the Skydroid C12 Gimbal camera. If you encounter any issues, it is recommended to check whether the wiring is correct and whether the working mode is properly set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone tutorials and real-world testing content. See you in the next video.